Hey Divas, thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. I know it's been such a long time since you've heard from me, but I am doing well. I hope you guys are too. You guys may be wondering what's going on, so the background is definitely different. This is not my normal setup. I did want to let you guys know I did relocate. I am no longer in Kansas. Your girl is back on the East Coast. I'm actually in the DMV area. This is a quarantine haul video, and I just wanted to show you guys all that I purchased during quarantine. If you are interested, please keep on watching. If you have not subscribed, feel free to subscribe right now. What are you waiting for? Click on that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. Let's get started. So I purchased the Sun UV LED lamp for my nails. So this is perfect when you're wanting to cure your gel polish. I absolutely love it. It's very easy to pick up and go. You can have this, in your bed while you're watching TV. You can put it on a table or a countertop. Very sturdy. I absolutely love that it has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99 seconds for curing. It also has a low heat mode and a double power mode. Definitely try to get one that has both so you can have more variety in your polishes. Some polishes require LED, some require UV, so it's very specific. So make sure you try to find one with both. I absolutely love it. I plan on doing my nails tonight. For those of you who may not have time to do your nails, I highly recommend getting press-on nails. I purchased these press-on nails from my local beauty supply store. You can also get them on Amazon. There's so many kinds to choose from. These are the Impress nails. I highly recommend getting the Kiss nails because they have more shapes to select. They have more options as it relates to shape and colors. They're very cute, so if you want to take photos and kind of flex real quick, if you have to do an indoor photo shoot, definitely put these on. They're popping. As I said, the only drawback to these is when you're doing something and you can kind of feel it lift, or you can just kind of feel hair or something go underneath. It's just I hate the feeling. But overall, press-on nails are the OG. They are the GOAT. They are everything for quarantine. So as we know, health is wealth, and self-care is something we need to do every day, or set some time outside of the week, at least once a day, to do something for yourself. I got me a personal grooming kit. Now, I purchased this prior to quarantine. I want to say years prior, but I had never used it until quarantine, and I now see how essential it is. For those of you who are in between going to the nail shops, getting your feet done, things like that, this is perfect. You're able to use all of the tools. It comes with a pumice stone. It comes with things that can kind of, make your feet soft, and a cuticle remover. It has everything in there. So definitely check out your local beauty supply store and get you a personal grooming kit. You will not be disappointed. This is the multifunctional cleaning instrument. How basic is that title, but whatever. This came from China, by the way. I thought it was coming from somewhere in the US, but this vendor was located overseas in Shenzhen. But yeah, so anyway, I purchased this online. And as you guys know, if you're on Instagram, this thing is all over Instagram. But it's basically one of those pore cleaners, and it'll pull and suck things out of your pores, make your pores smaller, especially for those who have like whiteheads or blackheads. This is perfect. I have an issue with blackheads on my nose, so I've been doing this about once or twice a week. Now, I am not an esthetician. I do not recommend doing this every day. I actually spoke with my sister, Sassy Savea. She is an esthetician, and she told me these are perfect for your skin, but you gotta watch how much you use them and be careful. Take care of your skin. Don't overuse it. So what I love about this product is it has 3 different settings from low, medium, and high. And you just turn it on by pressing this button. It has a nice little vibration sound. Now, what I normally do is I wet my face and then I kind of just go over it, and it's just sucking the products, anything that's in my skin after I clean my skin. It's sucking even more out of that, so it's like getting underneath there. So again, it has low, medium, and high. That's the low, that's the medium, and that's the high. That's the one I'd be like, yo, get in there, get it. So I absolutely love this. Again, I use it maybe once or twice a week, and press and hold it, and then it'll stop, and then you can take it off. It comes with multiple attachments. There's so many attachments to choose from, so if you're wanting to really get in those pores and really get in them pores. You can really use this and just get in there. It also comes with you know, some extra things, and it charges by USB. So I thought that was pretty cool, pretty innovative. You could just charge it at the bottom. You don't have to worry about batteries at all. And so I've had this for a couple months and I still have not charged it. So it definitely keeps its charge for a long time. It arrived charged. Staying on trend with our self-care, I actually didn't get this myself. I got it from two of my friends, a cousin and a friend, who bought this for me as a going away gift along with some other items. But I absolutely love this jade roller. I put this in the refrigerator, so in the morning when I'm, you know, wanting to wake up and, you know, I don't drink coffee. What I do is I go down to my refrigerator, I pull this bad boy out and I just roll it, and it feels so amazing on my skin. So I normally roll it underneath my under eye area and just all over, but the cool sensation from it being in the refrigerator is everything. It's the perfect feeling in the morning. There's so many different health benefits to this. Definitely check out more information about these online. I am absolutely in love with this jade roller. I know I woke up before, you know, before a jade roller, but this really wakes me up in the morning, and it just, the coolness, it makes my skin more supple and just, it looks more alive early in the morning. I love it. So the next product that I've been wanting to try for a while is, this is so basic, I'm shaking it up right now, but it's the Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh. Now say, girl, why you getting some deodorant? Well, I'm a creature of habit. I tend to stick with what works for me. If it's not broke, I will not try to fix it. I will not try to recreate the wheel. I like this wheel. But what I decided to do this time around was I purchased some dry spray, and I wanted to test it out because I'm a Dove roll-on girl. Now I do want to go into some more healthier options, but until then I decided to try this. What better way to test out a product than while you're at home? Now you guys know this is a spray-on versus a roll-on, and I do go a little heavy on the roll-on. But I decided to do this because if I need to reapply some, let's say I'm wearing it throughout the day and I'm not sure how it's gonna work on me just yet, I'm at home, who gonna check me, who's here, you know, that type of thing. So I'm able to test it out and actually be real authentic with my test. If I need to hit it with another spray, I just be like, you know, I get that in there. So I absolutely love this because it feels barely there. Now when I'm wearing deodorant, I love feeling like I'm wearing deodorant because it lets me know I'm covered. But in the summertime, when you're wearing tanks and stuff like that, you don't want to show your deodorant. So what better way than to wear an air type of dry spray? Now when I sprayed this, it did not, like, it didn't even feel like I had anything on, and I was kind of concerned because I'm like, now do I really got this on? Like, I know I seen it spray my skin and I know it, but I don't feel it, you know? So it's definitely barely there. You can't see it at all. So I really like that. It's kind of deceptive because it makes you think you don't have any on, which I gotta get used to that because I'm, you know, I'll be doubling up, you know? But overall, I absolutely love this Dove dry spray. It's perfect for the summertime. Definitely try out this dry spray deodorant. So I received this amazingly beautiful package from Every Strand. So I've done some videos on my channel with Every Strand, and I absolutely love their products. They definitely have some of my holy grails that I use constantly. So what better way than to get me a care package full of some goodies. So they got me a Every Strand aloe vera and coconut water weightless hydration mask. Can't wait to try this. They gave me some more masks. This one is the argan oil with macadamia, the keratin with aloe vera and vitamin E. Of course, they gave me the shea and coconut oil. This is the Simply Curls one. It's a professional curling cream that I featured on my channel. Absolutely love it. I love it when I'm putting it on wet hair and my waves be popping, my ponytail be popping, my curls be popping. Absolutely love their products. So I'm gonna be trying more of their moisture packets and their deep treatment, so I can't wait to try those. They did also provide me with larger containers for the shampoo, for the shea and coconut oil shampoo. and also for the deep moisture conditioner, which is the one that I use in a packet. Every 2 weeks that I wash my hair, or whenever I wash my hair, I always deep condition with this shea and coconut oil product, deep moisture conditioner. Now they did include a protective leave-in hair treatment, and I absolutely love this. I've never used their leave-in treatment before, and it leaves my hair very, very moisturized. It's more so water-based, so you don't have to worry about it just kind of sitting on top of your strands. It feels like it actually goes in your strands and it's moisturizing it. It says it has a rich blend of shea butter and coconut oil to provide intense moisture and long-lasting brilliant shine. Next up is this Follicle Enhancer by Edge Naturel. Now I will say this product is supposed to help replenish your edges and help with hair loss. So if you're experiencing any of that, definitely check out this product. Now I received it a couple of weeks ago and I hadn't really got a chance to adequately review it. The company has been reaching out asking me have I reviewed the product, post a video. I will say I don't feel comfortable doing a complete review of my opinion of this product until I actually try it over time. I feel like this is promising a lot of great results, but great results do take time. So what I will say based off of my experience so far with this follicle enhancer is it smells very minty. So for those of you who are familiar with products with mint oil or any type of mint based product, you know that, when you're drinking something minty, it just makes your mouth cool. It's the same thing for your hair. It makes your scalp feel very cool. And then on top of that, it's like, okay, it feels like it's working. There's a tingle there. And I am addicted to the tingle feeling. I love it. I used to always have shampoos that had that tingle in it. Oh, it was so amazing. But this, it definitely has that same similar tingle. It has a whipped consistency and it's very minty. It just makes you want to just sniff it, So yeah, put that on your edges, test it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below if you're interested in this product. Again, I'll have to keep using this product in order to give it an adequate review as it relates to the actual results of this product. I can feel like it's working, but do I know if it's working or is it just giving me a show, So I will have to circle back with this product to let you know if I actually believe it has helped with hair loss. There's one part of my edge on my edges that's a little thin. It's always been that way since birth, but we'll see if that'll change with this product. I don't know. We'll have to test it out. Alright, so going into beauty and makeup, I've been going heavy on purchasing products, but I only have a few for you today. This one is the Sweetie Faux Mink Lashes. It is a company that my cousin has started called Sweetie. So she's always Sweetie in everybody, but she decided to create a lash line, and she's based out of Houston, Texas. So if any of you guys are in Houston, definitely hit up Sweetie Faux Mink Lashes. She's also on Instagram. You can purchase her products online and she will ship them to you. She's pretty quick. So I absolutely love the lashes. They're very fluffy. They're not the standard lashes that you've been seeing everybody sell. These are actually very, very voluminous, very fluffy. They got some hair on them. Like, it's not no little strip. Like, they got some hair for you. So when you wink, you winking. So yeah, I love these faux mink lashes, and I will definitely feature them in an upcoming makeup look. Next up, I got this NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I am normally a Tahoe wearing Sheer Glow Foundation NARS babe, but I decided to try something else. I thought I was fancy. I thought I knew what I was doing. I'm like, oh, Tahoe's a little too dark. I want to find one that's the perfect shade. And I'm looking, thinking I can look through the bottle. I definitely should have got a sample. So for those of you who are unsure about what foundation or concealer to try, definitely go to Sephora, ask for a sample. That way you can kind of test it out before you buy the whole thing, like me being a bozo. But it's perfect for highlighting, I will say. This is more so a winter color for me than a summer color, so I haven't worn it since I purchased it. But it's called Syracuse. I think I might go back to Tahoe, or I might mix Syracuse with Tahoe to get the perfect match for my skin. I also purchased this Laura Mercier face illuminator. It's absolutely beautiful. It's breathtaking. It makes you just want to stare at it all day. So imagine it being on your face, like, whew, girl. So I got the color Inspiration, and it is such a beautiful rose gold type of color. Beautiful on the skin, especially if you're wearing like pinks and reds and you want to be a little mauve-y. This is the perfect highlighter and illuminator to add to your face, to add some radiance with it not being too much. So I absolutely love this. Hey divas, so I want to go ahead and cut this video short. I know, but this video is almost at 15 minutes long, so I want to go ahead and cut it short so that you guys can see what else I purchased in this quarantine. So I will be posting another video. It may be a 2-part series, maybe a 3, depending on how long the next few videos are, but I have some amazing goodies for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what products you like the best or that you're most interested in my part 1, and what do you think I purchased in my part 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me, and I will see you in my next video. XOXO.